bad girl. I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
What's going on, everybody on YouTube? Max Rock here with a brand new video. This is a camera test of LG G8 Thinq. Right now I'm currently shooting this at 1080p 30 frames per second. This camera is capable of 4K 60 frames per second and below. And it looks pretty good. Got the stabilization on right now, so I think this camera does have optical image stabilization. I'm gonna zoom in here. Zoom back out. Go into the wide angle mode. Boom. Seamless transition. Zoom in isn't too bad. You can go 8 times zoom. Get some of the sky there a little bit. Yeah, and let me know what you think of the audio quality that the mics pick up on this phone here. And does the video quality look the way it should for a flagship phone? To me, it does. But let me go ahead and switch around to the front. And I'll be right back. So this right here is the LG G8 Thinq front-facing camera here, and it looks pretty good. No complaints about that there. Go around, circle. It looks good. It's pretty stable as well. Walking around the yard here, it's pretty stable. All right, let's do a zoom test here. Oh, zoom isn't supported in the front-facing camera. It's weird how some phones can do it and some phones can't. You would think a phone that's in this price category can do it, but can't. So here's this video here. Oh, lose my balance a little bit. Looks pretty good. So my squad, please go ahead and share this video with your friends and family and let them know that not all Android cameras suck, especially this one, because it's just not true. But until then, my name is Max Rock. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.